everyone, I'm Layla, an English teacher here at Speak Up London, and today we're celebrating something very special. It's our school's birthday, and to celebrate, we've got a little gift for you, our amazing learners from around the world. It's a free downloadable guide called 30 Plus English Phrases to Sound Like a Brit. You can find the link in the video description below. In this video, I'll show you how to pronounce and use all these authentic British expressions, from greetings to compliments to cheeky requests. Ready to sound more British? Let's get started. Greetings and small talk. Let's begin with how Brits really greet each other. All right, you all right? This is an informal hi, not an actual question. You're right? Yeah, not bad. You? Hiya. This is a friendly, cheerful hello. For example, your neighbor might say, hiya, and you can say, hiya, good to see you. How's it going? This is a casual how are you. For example, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks. You? Take care. This is a polite goodbye. For example, I'm off now, take care. Ta. This is short for thanks and is often northern. For example, here's your change. Ta. Cheers. This could be thanks or goodbye. For example, here's your coffee. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Expressing opinions. Want to sound more polite or understated? You should try these. Quite good. This means fairly good, and it's a classic British understatement. The food was quite good. Not bad. This is a casual or polite way of saying good. For example, the film was not bad. It wasn't bad. It's all right. This is neutral to slightly positive. For example, the curry's all right. Interesting. This is often polite, but secretly negative. For example, interesting. Agreeing. Spot on. This means exactly right. For example, your answer was spot on. Fair enough. This is when you want to accept someone's reason for something. Like, I can't come tonight. Fair enough. Big time. This is a strong agreement. For example, are you excited? Big time. Making requests. Give me a hand. This is when you want to ask for help. For example, can you give me a hand with these boxes? Be a mate, and this is friendly and can be a bit cheeky. For example, be a mate and pick up some milk. Will you? This is more like a casual request. For example, hold the door, will you? Would you mind? This is very polite. For example, would you mind closing the window? Compliments and encouragement. Nice one. This means good job. For example, I passed my test. Nice one. The next one is you smashed it. And this means that you did great. Like you could say, your presentation was amazing. You smashed it. Another one could be great job and also has a similar meaning. For example, you did a great job at hosting the meeting the other day. Reacting to news. Cheers or nice one. These are positive reactions. For example, I got a promotion. Nice one. Fab. This is short for fabulous. And an example could be, I passed my exam. Fab. Another one is, oh dear. And this is more for concern or sympathy. For example, you missed your flight. Oh dear. Tough luck. This is light sympathy. For example, I spilled coffee on myself earlier. Tough luck. Blimey. This is to show shock or surprise. For example, if it's really cold outside, you could say, blimey, it's freezing. No way. This is to show disbelief. For example, I won the lottery. No way. You're having a laugh. This means you can't be serious. For example, they want us to work all weekend. You're having a laugh. Bloody hell. This shows strong surprise or frustration. For example, bloody hell, the bill is huge. Making plans. Fancy a coffee? This is just a casual invite. So maybe you would say, fancy a coffee before the meeting. Expressions and multiple meanings. No worries. This can mean it's okay or you're welcome. So for example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Cheers. This can mean thanks or goodbye or could be a toast. So you could say, here's your coffee. And then the other person might say, cheers or bye. Cheers. Bless him or bless her. This can show admiration or pity or gentle sarcasm. For example, he tried to fix the printer. Bless him. And there you have it. Over 30 authentic British phrases to help you sound more natural, confident, and fluent. Don't forget to download the free guide from the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite phrase or one that surprised you. Thanks for watching, and as we say in the UK, cheers!